Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the easy way to replace the primer bulb on your snowblower. And today I'll be showing you how to do this on a Tecumseh snowblower engine. Now the same procedure will apply to many other engines even if they're not on a snowblower. And on this engine over here, the primer bulb is located right there. Now some symptoms that will indicate that it's time to replace the primer bulb is that it may be all ripped up. Also the rubber part here may be coming off the plastic part here. And sometimes these primer bulbs also get really hard and it's impossible to prime your engine. Also, if the blower hasn't been maintained properly, it may have been left outside and the rubber may be all sunburned and hard. And basically the only tool you need today is a flat screwdriver that you can find anywhere in your garage. Now just reach in with your screwdriver between the primer bulb and the body of the engine. Just pry it out like this. And now what you want to do is disconnect the primer bulb from the primer line just by pulling on it. You can also turn and pull at the same time. Now what you want to do is make sure that this line here does not go back inside the cowling. The primer bulb you'll need on most Tecumseh engines will be part number 570682A. I do recommend that you use an OEM one because it does have way better clips over here. You can buy aftermarket ones, but I find the clips here are not as good and they get loose inside the cowling of the engine. And there's a link under the video to where you can buy this primer bulb online. If you live in Canada, you can purchase this primer bulb directly from me. Just contact me at donnyboy73.com or just comment under the video. Now since the primer bulb I removed from this snowblower engine is still good, I'm just going to reinstall it. I'm simply doing this today for educational purposes. And now to reinstall the primer bulb, it's quite easy. Just put it back inside the primer line. And then you want to push the primer bulb back into its slot. Once it's clicked in, it's going to be nice and firm there. And it's that easy to replace the primer bulb on your Tecumseh snowblower engine. And just remember, it's practically going to be the same procedure on many other snowblower engines. So thanks again for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And have yourselves a great day.